Dear students, I am going to discuss here certain things about the new topic that has been introduced by UPSC for ESE 2017. From 2017, UPSC has changed the syllabus of its GS, and in that part 10 different topics has been introduced. One such topic is material science and engineering. In material science and engineering, the focus is basically on whatever you have studied during your first year of the course. The first topic would be atomic structure and chemical bonding. Under this topic, we can consider the various types of questions based on ionic bonds, covalent bonds, metallic bond, secondary bonds like van der Waals forces. Also, we need to consider the various types of atomic models like Bohr's model, Rutherford model, quantum mechanics model, and also a bit of idea about the periodic table is required. The second topic would be crystal structure and defects. In this topic, we have to study about the various types of crystal structure like face central cubic, body center cubic, simple cubic, and hexagonal closed packed structures. Also, in this topic, we have to consider about the various defects in the crystal lattice. We also have to study about the amorphous material that we have, and also we can be asked questions about calculation of the density, calculation of the atomic packing fraction, coordinate number of the structure. You can also be asked questions based on amorphous material, defects in crystal, diffraction techniques, FCC unit cell, like they would ask what would be the crystallographic plane of 110. Our third topic can be the mechanical properties. Under this topic, we will study about the various types of stress strain curve for different type of materials. We can study about the hardness, toughness, ductility, and strength, and also the various types of tests conducted to ascertain this. In this topic, we need to study the fracture mechanics also, like you can be asked question based on the cup and cone failure, the intergranular failure, the intragranular failure. Also, you can expect questions based on properties like fatigue and creep. The next topic that you can expect, the ferrous and non-ferrous alloys. In this topic, you can expect questions based on the various types of materials like steel, cast iron, and other alloys. Under steel, you can have low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, and also stainless steel. The various types of cast iron can also be asked. Mainly, the focus should be on the application of these materials in various engineering fields. Also, you can be asked question based on the various types of alloys of iron, copper, aluminum, nickel, and their applications. The next topic that you can expect is the ceramic material. Under this topic, you can expect questions based on the applications of ceramics, synthesis of ceramics, like for example, if you take glass, you have questions that would be like what are the various types of glasses, their uses, and also question based on like certain terms like glass transition temperature, like you have question based on your annealing temperature, like softening temperature. Also, they can ask question based on carbides. Our next topic can be polymers. You know that polymers have lower density as compared to metals, and because of that, it can be used in various engineering uses. Under this topic, the questions that can be asked would be about the type of polymers, methods of manufacturing of polymers. Also, you can be asked question about like what is additional polymerization, what is condensation polymerization. Also examples of various types of thermoplast and thermosets can be asked in this. Our next topic can be composites. You know that in the modern engineering application, we require materials which have various types of properties, but it might be that all of these needed material properties could not be provided by a single material. Under that situation, we require to have combination of the materials, and these are called composites. Mainly, the question that would be asked would be on the basis of application of this topic. Next topic that we can consider are electrical materials. Under this topic, we need to study about the electrical properties of the material, electrical properties of alloy, like we can study about resistivity, conductivity. We can also study about semiconductors, dielectric materials, the concept of piezoelectricity, ferroelectricity. Our next topic can be the magnetic properties of material. Under this topic, the various things that we need to study about are ferromagnetism, paramagnetism, ferrimagnetism, anti-ferrimagnetism, soft and hard magnetic material, hysteresis behavior of the magnetic material, and also about superconductivity. The other topic that you can expect is the optical properties of the material. Under this topic, we need to study the various types of properties like reflection, refraction, transmissivity, photoconductivity, concepts of laser, optical fiber, and application of these in various engineering fields. Lastly, we might have to study about the new topics like new advanced materials that we have, which are being used very frequently in many engineering applications. Like you might have heard of nanomaterials. Under that, you might be asked the various applications of it. How do we produce these nanomaterials? Like you can have two approaches of making it. One is your top-down approach. Second is your bottom-up approach. We can also have certain examples of it like your carbon nanotubes, graphenes, fullerenes, like that. So you can expect questions on this topic as well. Dear students, through this video, we have already communicated to you the various topics and the various types of questions that can be expected from material science in the engineering services examinations.